Welcome back everyone to another video. When I did my building AOSP for the HiKey960 video, a lot of people did ask me how to install pre-built binaries or how to install Android directly without building it, and it seems that the documentation is not very direct and it does take some amount of figuring out to actually get the pre-builds of Android installed that are provided by the 96 boards. So first of all, what you can do is either go directly to the download link, or you can follow this method of going to 96boards.org's website, then go into products, into consumer products. From there select HiKey960, go into more info. Once the more info is loaded, go into documentation. From there select downloads, and from here select AOSP, and from here if you select downloads it won't work as of the time of this very recording. So going into downloads would give you a page not found error. Go back, select view, and this will bring you to the downloads page. Here now what you have to do is select this file that says HiKey960 Linaro. The date could be anything depending upon the day it was uploaded, and then factory, and then again this key could be anything. So keep in mind the three keywords: HiKey960, Linaro, and factory. This is the file you need to download. Now I have already downloaded it, so we'll go to that file right away, and this is it right here. Right click and extract here. It will take a few seconds to extract, and once it's done, this is the file that you have. You should have your HiKey960 ready with it set on the fast boot mode. Now the way to do it, there are three switches at the back of the HiKey960, and make sure that switch number 1 is on and switch number 3 is on, and that the switch number 2 is at off. That will put your HiKey960 in a fast boot mode, and that would allow you to install operating systems on it. So don't turn on the HiKey960 yet, because first you need to install a few tools. Now if you are on Ubuntu 16.04 or any other, probably Ubuntu 14 to Ubuntu 16 or anything like that, so sudo apt install adb and fastboot, and this will give you the ADB and fastboot tools that you would require. Once that is done, we can go ahead and work on it. But if you are running something like Fedora, then the package name is Android Tools, which contains both ADB and fastboot. And if you are running something like say Arch Linux, you will have to figure out for yourself what sort of package you are using. So ADB and fastboot are the two programs that we need. Once that is done, plug in the HiKey960, power it on, and wait for a few seconds, and then type in sudo fastboot devices. So as you can see, I have my HiKey960 connected. Now this here is just the D message output that you would see once you connect your HiKey960 to the system as a fastboot device. So again, sudo fastboot gives us this very output if your HiKey960 is connected. Now the number here can actually be anything. So once that is done, go ahead into the directory where you have downloaded your files, and then again into the downloaded files directory of the downloaded files, and ls. Here you can see all your files. Now to flash it and to freshly flash it is two different things. So now you have the option to either upgrade the HiKey960 or do a complete new flash. Now to do that, open up the flash.sh file. You can easily use your nano command to do it. There's no issue. I'm just opening it up on gedit for ease of use, and you have to flash all of the following images. But to upgrade, just go ahead and comment out the fastboot flash user data line, and that means your cache will be wiped. but your user data will remain untouched. So all your apps and settings will be as is, and pretty much everything else changes. So go ahead and save it all. Go back to the command line terminal. Now again, as fastboot needs super user permission, type in sudo and then /flash all and press enter, and it will flash the whole system in a few minutes. Alright, so that is done. Now you can safely disconnect the fastboot device by just unplugging the USB port and put your HiKey960 in the auto boot mode by switching off the switch number 3 and leaving the switch number 1 on. So the configuration now is switch 1 is on and 2 and 3 are off. So that means now you will boot into the Android operating system. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.